Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, the topic that we are going to learn about how to convert the fraction value into percentage value. Let's get started. For converting the fraction value into percentage value, we have two ways. First, method one is, for example, we have 1 by 4. So this is the fraction value. So this fraction value we have to convert into percentage value. So first we have to divide this 1 by 4 by normal division. So if you divide, you will get 0.25. Now we have to multiply this 0.25 into 100. You will get 25%. So the answer is 25%. This is the one way of finding the percentage value. So the another way is, that is method 2 is, so we have 1 by 4. So 1 is the numerator value and 4 is the denominator value. So first we have to convert this denominator value into 100. Okay. So if you multiply 4 with 25, you will get 100, right? So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 25. So that is 1 into 25 divided by 4 into 25, because we want the denominator value should be 100. So for that only we are multiplying with 25. So the numerator value, that is 1 into 25 is 25 divided by 4 into 25 is 100. So what is 25 by 100? That is nothing but 25%. Usually the percentage value is denoted it as by divided by 100, right? So this 25 by 100 is nothing but 25%. So the percentage value of 1 by 4 is 25%. Right? So this is the easy way of finding the percentage value. Now we will solve few more examples. Suppose we have 5 divided by 4. Okay. So I am using the easy way of finding the percentage value. So first we have to convert the denominator value should be 100. So for that I am going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 25. So 5 into 25 divided by 4 into 25. So the answer is 5 into 25, that is 125 divided by 100. So answer is 125%, because we have 125 divided by 100, that is nothing but 125%. Suppose we have 4 divided by 5. Okay. So in the denominator the value should be 100. So for that we have to multiply with 20, right? If you multiply 5 into 20, you will get 100. So both the numerator and denominator we have to multiply with 20. So 4 into 20 divided by 5 into 20. So in the numerator we have 80 divided by denominator we have 100. So the answer is 80%. So instead of dividing 4 divided by 5 and then multiply with 100, so we have to convert the denominator value should be 100. Then we'll get the easy percentage value, right? So the 4 by 5 percentage value is 80%. Suppose we have 7 by 5. So again we have to multiply with 20. So 7 into 20 divided by 5 into 20. So in the numerator we have 7 into 20, that is 140 divided by 100. So the answer is 140%. Next we have 8 divided by 10. See, in the denominator we have the value 10. So we have to convert this into 100. So if you multiply with 10, you will get 100, right? So 8 into 10 divided by 10 into 10. If you multiply 10 with 10, you will get 100. So in the numerator we have 8 into 10, that is 80 divided by 100. So that is nothing but 80%. Next we have 13 divided by 10. Again we have the denominator we have 10, so we have to multiply with 10. So 13 into 10 divided by 10 into 10. So 130 divided by 100. So the answer is 130%. Next we have 9 divided by 20. So in the denominator we have 20. If you multiply with 5, you will get 100, right? So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 5. So that is 9 into 5 divided by 20 into 5. So 9 5s are 45 divided by 100. So the answer is 45%. Suppose if we have 11 divided by 20, so again we have to multiply with 5. So 11 into 5 divided by 20 into 5. So 11 5s are 55 divided by 100. So the answer is 55%. Suppose if we have 3 divided by 25. See here in the denominator we have 25. If you multiply with 4, you will get 100, right? So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 4. So 3 into 4 divided by 25 into 4. So 3 4s are 12 divided by 100. So the answer is 12%. Suppose we have 7 divided by 25. So 7 into 4 divided by 25 into 4. So 7 4s are 20 divided by 100. So that is nothing but 28%. Next we have 13 divided by 50. See, in the denominator we have 50. So if you multiply with 2, you will get 100, right? So 13 into 2 divided by 50 into 2. So 13 into 2, that is nothing but 26 divided by 100. So we have 26%. Next we have 21 by 50. So again we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 2. So that is 21 into 2 divided by 50 into 2. So 21 into 2, that is 42 divided by 100. So the answer is 42%. Next we have 32 divided by 50. Again we have to multiply with 2. 32 into 2 divided by 50 into 2. So 32 into 2, that is 64 divided by 100. So the answer is 64%. Next we have 90 divided by 50. Again we have to multiply with 2. So 90 into 2 divided by 50 into 2. So 90 into 2, that is 180 divided by 100. So the answer is 180%. So this is how we have to convert the fraction value into percentage value. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button. And for further notification, please hit the bell icon. Thank you.